Hey creators, big news! Edimakor version 4.0 is here. And it's full of awesome new features to make your videos better than ever. Image to video. Got a photo? Now you can turn it into a video without writing the prompt. We have updated more than 90 AI video templates here, including interaction videos like AI kiss, AI hug, punch face, bombing behind, and so on. AI dance videos like PUGB winner dance, skeleton dance, subject 3 dance, stylization, appearance, entertainment, epic morph. Try out different AI effects and choose from over 50 cool video effects templates. Mix and match to get the look you want. It's super easy. Better subtitles. Subtitles just got a major upgrade. Now you can use bilingual styles, set how long each subtitle shows, and even fit subtitles perfectly into your video with one click.
How have you been?
Plus, you can make dynamic subtitles with 2 colors for extra pop. Smarter background removal. Need to remove a background? It's now easier and more powerful. Use a brush to select the subject in a photo. Edimakor will automatically cut it out for you. For videos, choose quick mode for fast cutout, or advanced mode for better results. After removing the background, you can also add a cool outline effect. Eye avatars that sing. Yes, now your digital characters can sing. They sound more natural and expressive than ever. Whether it's a real person, animal, cartoon, or even children, Edimakor can make it sing songs in different styles and languages. Edimakor 4.0. It was the ultimate tool for video creators. It's smarter, faster, and more fun. Try it now and take your videos to the next level. And see you in the next video.